Today, my cousin hit me up to see if we can modify the exhaust on his Honda Odyssey. He's going with the Borla S-type exhaust, and well, I said, no worries, but you're gonna have to weld it. So he said, no problem, let's weld this bitch up. For not welding for over 10 years, I gotta admit, the welds actually look pretty good. While he was welding, I was cutting off the original exhaust and getting everything ready. He went ahead and prepped up some of the piping, and I continued some of the welds as well. Once everything was tack welded, we went ahead and removed the entire assembly and then continued the welding on the bench. This fixture table I ordered from Northern Tools really came in clutch for this project. It was able to hold everything in place so that we were able to weld everything, and it really secured the piping down really well. Overall cost for this table was about $200, and it came with all the fixtures. The harder part was welding everything on the car because, well, there's really not a lot of space that we have, and while working in the garage, we pretty much are doing our best at this point. Once the exhaust was done, it was time to start it up and hear what this exhaust sounds like.
Oh man. Sounds pretty good, actually.
Not too loud.
Yeah. It's perfect. It's like perfect amount of stealth and performance, huh?
Not too goofy sound.
Yeah.
Where did I make a U-turn there?
Wow. Oh. This band got nothing on us. Perfect. Borla. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I thought she was riding it backwards.
Once all the work was done, it was time for the cleanup, of course, with my favorite towels, Tubba towels. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.